In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as complete in Asana. Marking tasks as complete is one of the simplest but most important habits you can build in any project management tool, and Asana is no exception. It keeps your projects organized, gives your team an accurate view of progress, and helps you personally stay on top of what's done and what still needs attention. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you've opened the project where your task lives. You can do this from the sidebar by selecting the relevant project, and then choosing the view you prefer, such as List View. In List View, you'll see your tasks laid out in rows, usually with columns like task name, assignee, due date, and so on. Now look closely at the left side of any task row. You'll notice a small empty circle icon sitting just beside the task name. This is the completion check circle. It might look subtle, but this is exactly what you use to tell Asana that a task has been finished. When you've completed the work for that task, move your mouse over that circle and click it once. As soon as you do, you'll see a visual change. The circle will typically fill in with a check mark, and the task text may become lighter or show as crossed out depending on your view and settings. This is Asana's way of clearly signaling that the task is now complete. If you're working in a shared project, this simple click also communicates to your teammates that they no longer need to worry about this item. It may trigger rules, notifications, or updates in dashboards if your workspace uses any automation. So it's a key part of keeping your whole system up to date. You can repeat this same action for any other tasks you finish. Just find the task in your project, hover over the check circle beside it, and click. There's no need to open the task details unless you want to review comments or attachments. The completion control is always right there in the list for quick access. If you ever click the circle by mistake, don't worry. You can simply click the check circle again to mark the task as incomplete, and it will return to its previous state. And that's all there is to it. Locate the task and click the check circle beside it to mark it as complete.